Hello and welcome, Dr. Mansimrat Singh. We are so happy to know that you have passed your DNB theory exam with flying colors. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for your persistent motivation, guidance throughout the journey. Uh, uh,
Mansimrat, can you give us a little bit of an idea? What college are you from?
Ma'am, basically, I have passed my MBBS from Medical College Amritsar, and after that, I went into government service. And after that, in my NEET exam, I picked up seats to All India quota in IVY Hospital, Mohali. So I
Okay.
was a DNB resident there,
Okay.
and right now I have passed my DNB through in June 2025.
Okay.
Yes.
And can you tell us how you came to know about the Conceptual Anesthesia app and how did you use it for your preparation?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in our hospital, I guess I was the second, third batch before me. One of the batch has already passed, ma'am. So things were not streamlined in education wise. So conceptual anesthesia came to our rescue, I guess, because right from the first year, there are these lectures on anatomy and physiology. So that would say that would be core of my understanding. Okay, what we are actually doing in OT, what we are doing in OR. So, cardiac physiology and anatomy, and then to be specific, neuroanatomy and physiology, that your lectures on CSF maintenance, that curve. So, basically, those led to the basis and foundation, and then we got to know, okay, the BP is fluctuating, why it is fluctuating. So, all those things, matlab, once basics are clear, and then you build up things upon that. So, for me, that was really helpful, especially like when you have a 12 hours, 16 hours day duty. After that you come home and you don't have time for active learning. So I used to listen to your lectures. That passive learning helped me a lot. The next day when I used to go to OR, things would be more clear. Things would be clear that why nital is off in this case, why CO is at 2%. So things slowly and slowly build up. So what's the concept of MAC? I remember Dr. Govind's Garg lecture on, you and Dr. Govind had a combined lecture on relational anesthetics. So things got clear, and what I did, I just make all the anatomy physiologies and my basic cases, like your lecture on one lung ventilation that I listen. So whenever I used to study respiratory system, I open that lecture, I the notes I have made out in, and that would lay the basis and foundation on which I used to build all the cases. Like if you have to go for thoracotomy, one lung ventilation is basic. You should know, you need to know that. So that would be my core basics. And in last month, when we have to revise for the theory examination, those notes were the core, the starting of everything, and then gradually you build up the things on that. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What were the most useful books for you out of all the books that we have given?
Books from long and short cases, those were helpful. And ma'am, one in the last time, na, you don't have the time to go through all the previous years. So the DNB solutions that were there, they used to, matlab, they cut short a lot of time. So these are the questions. You don't have to run away finding this PDF, copy paste, getting this PDF download.
Correct.
So
Correct.
these were the questions. What I used in DNB Master Solution, I just wrote down the pages number from whichsoever other book I studied. So I write down the pages number on that book only, and at the end I compiled it and studied from there only. So that helps in a very quick revision, ma'am.
Okay. That's very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am.
And who
Yes,
are
ma'am.
your favorite teachers in the app?
Ma'am, definitely you. And ma'am, the one is Dr. Saurabh Taneja. He took lecture on ventilator and graphics, ma'am, that lecture, and Dr. Akeesh Garg, ma'am. He took lecture on oxygen therapy devices and vaporizers. So it cleared a lot of things. So those are my favorite teachers, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I would like to ask how you planning to prepare for your DNB practical exams.
Ma'am, for DNB Practical, ma'am, there is a long and short case series that are in the app, ma'am. Definitely, I will utilize them. So my plan is to go through all the cases and the discussions before I begin for that. And ma'am, for OSCE, definitely because OSCE is very high scoring. Like there are 100 marks definitely from OSCE, and you can score all of them. So ma'am,
Yes.
for OSCE, there are OSCE videos from that will I definitely I will use. And ma'am, other is like for long and short cases, we have books that I will go through them. Yes, ma'am.
That's very nice. And we wish you all the very best for your practical
Thank you, ma'am.
preparation. Once again, heartiest congratulations and looking forward to taking your interview again once your DNB practicals are done.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mansa.